Hi peeps, a little bit of a problem today. I wired these relays up to give me a forward and reverse system because I wanted to show you the axes moving, and it didn't work when I pressed the button. So I pondered over it and I thought, well, the only thing that it can be is the buttons I'm using are resistive. And if I just lift them up a bit so you can see what's going on. So I've got my meter set on ohms, and it's quite surprising. If I hold the button down, and let it settle, the resistance although it's slowly dropping, it's still there, and it is the push button, because if I short out the push button on the copper track, it fires the relays. So I've had to spend some money, unfortunately, on this little part of the project, because I haven't got any other push buttons that can do the job. So I've still got that pressed, and as you can see, it's still there, even though it is going down. Oh, it's going back up again now. So I think you can call that 200 ohms quite comfortably. And because the relay is, pardon me, I think the relay is about 400 ohms, something like that. There's no way it's going to pull in without some additional circuitry, and the additional circuitry would be, pointless really. So I've ordered proper tactile switches. They'll go on the board, and they'll fire the relays up. So I'm sorry, but I can't show you movement today. It's just one of those things that when you're doing something on the fly like this, because none of this was designed, it's all being done as I go along. So I'll just have to put this up so you know what's going on, and I'll sort someone out for tomorrow. Probably I'll try and get the connectors today if I can, and if I can, I'll do the power pack and run the wires for that across to the jogging panel. But yeah, it's a setback, but it's more of an annoyance than a true setback. Never mind, onwards and upwards.